Alright, live at the command center, JW Solar USA. Time for cooking rice. You gotta wash the rice, It's just like massaging it. Ah, you clean the thing. Then I have 4 cups of rice here, which is this cup is marked. See, it's 4 of this. This one came with a rice cooker. And this is what I'm using. Just wash the rice so they can take all the white creamy or whatever you call it powder. So I'm washing it with warm water. Sometimes it takes all the smell. Some of the rice get a strong, it's a sweet smell, depends on the rice, but sometimes it's kind of just too much, overbearing. So if you don't like the smell, use hot water and just wash the rice. If you look at the side here, is marked. So we are having 4 cups. So I'm gonna set it right there, the water. So I'm using hot water, which is it's already prepped. So by doing so, you saving a lot of energy for your warmer to run a long process before the water started boiling or started cooking. So by doing this, you already prepped, pre-ready the process. It doesn't sound right, but it's already prepped. Okay, you're prepping the thing so that you get it almost ready, so it's not gonna take that long for the rice to cook. So it's a 4, you can see on the mark right there. So we have to add a little bit of water here. So it depends how you want the rice, if you want it to be sticky or you want it to be crispy, and this is what you do. Less water, the rice is going to be crispy. If you want more water, it makes it a little sticky. Right here is a container of salt, and what I do, it just sprinkle. It's not a lot of salt coming there, a little bit, so I don't want you to panic like maybe I'm eating too much salt. It's barely coming out. So what I do for this, when you mix it up, and this is how I normally gauge the thing, because I don't use any measurement on that, but you just taste it. Is the water taste more, a little bit salt on it, or not to be too much? If you put too much, then you can just wash the rice again and put and change the water and put some fresh one there, mix it and taste it. So at least the rice can be just blank, nothing, no taste. It's not good to add salt while the rice or the food is already cooked, because that's all causes too much health problems, because now the salt is already cooked, it's boiled, and it's ready to go. So I'm taking the cover, set it on top of these, and we're gonna plug it into the solar. This is a rice cooker. Then I'm gonna take this and transition it right here. There you go. It's already there. Then I'm gonna turn the power on and ready to cook the rice. Voila! If you look the bottom here, you can see the cord. This is the white cord. This is the adapter for the solar, and we're just gonna plug this guy. You see the fridge is already there. You can just plug this guy right there. Okay, you can see the right cooker illuminating. So we just push the power button down here, so the amber color goes off. The rest is the red is already engaged. See right now. So we're cooking. Let's go check the meter on the solar. Here is the command center, and this is where all the magic is happening right here, and this is how we get the power. And let's check it out and see the power we pulling right now on this bad boy. So if you look at it here keenly, it says 300 watts. Okay, so let's go back here to the specs.
but the meter that is showing like 3, so it's pulling 8 amps, 8.3 amps, which is 550 watts. 550 watt. So it takes 550 watt to cook us rice or to make food. And guys, believe it or not, it's cooking on solar. And let me dim the light a little bit and see. This is what it's showing. So we are doing a good job here at the command center of the JW Solar USA.
So this will complete process how to cook rice or use a rice cooker on a solar, off-grid solar system with lithium batteries, live here at the JW Solar USA. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Love you guys. Subscribe and share the video. Bye. Alright, we are back again. The rice is cooking and let's check it out. So what do? You have to stir the rice so that the one at the top will go on the bottom so they can cook well, so the steam can really cook the top one. So by doing so, mixing it, you bring in the one from the bottom to come at the top and the top to the bottom. Then you can have a very nice cooked rice instead of the other one is going to be hard and the other one is going to be cooked. You don't want that unless unless that's your desire or that's your wish, and you can go ahead and do it. But this is how I want my rice. I want all of them to cook. So all of them not going to be the other one's going to be crunchy, the other one is going to be soft, and it just ruined the appetite of that. Unless if you want it to be really crispy, and you don't want it to be like a how you call it all sticky rice, and you can do that. Well, this one's going to turn out pretty not that much crispy, you know, like a fried rice, but it's going to be all nice, not like all sticky rice. It's going to come out pretty soft, not too hard, not sticky, but it's going to be like a little bit crispy, just somewhere in the middle. So we get this one, and we can go back and put the cover so that they can do the finishing touch on the thing. Cover it up, and it's gonna cook. And because I stir the rice, you can see the amber lights turns on. So I want to put it back on. It's not on. So because of the water that was floating on top, the rice keep the electric heater thinks there's more water than it was on. So pretty soon it's gonna kick off again and gonna be on the amber. So the steam will come finish up the process. So this is how you cook rice using a rice cooker with solar power production, live from JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching, and we're bringing you live from the channel. So this is how we do the off-grid cooking. Thank you. Bye for now. Like and subscribe.